Hi, my name's Trishan Malhi. I'm one of the dentists at the Park Dental Clinic and Cavendish Dental Practice. I'm a dentist with a special interest in orthodontics. Just wanted to present a case that we treated with aligners and finished a couple of months ago. So if we go to here, so on the right hand side, this is the before, and then on the left hand side, this is the after. What we did was we opened up space on the right hand side. So this lady, she had, this is a before photos, she's got tipped 2 front teeth and she's got a missing canine tooth there. So this is the tooth she's got on the other side, and this tooth here is missing on this side. And by creating space and opening the space here, we were able to correct the tip of these teeth, and we then put a false tooth there. Basically, we made a bridge. So this is the tooth that we put in, and we corrected the tip of these 2 front teeth, so now they're more upright. So this is looking at the right hand side. So this is where she's got a missing tooth. So if you have a look, she's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 teeth on this right hand side, and then afterwards she's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 teeth on the right hand side, and this is the tooth that we opened up space and put a bridge in. So she's got this tooth in there. So this is afterwards. This is the left hand side. So the left hand side was fine. So she's got the canine teeth, and we improved the bite. This is looking at the upper teeth. So that's where we opened up space on this arrow here. We opened up space right there, and we fitted a canine tooth. And this we corrected the crowding, we improved the midline as well. Lower teeth, we tidied them up. So nothing too special about the lower teeth. This is after braces. You can see the space we created here. And this is once we've put that false tooth in. So she had a bridge afterwards. And this is her smiling afterwards. So this was solely treated by aligners. It took about 1.5 years, and patient was overjoyed with the result. Thank you for listening.